Is your house dirty and it needs cleaning? Well, I have a solution for you. Let's use a robot. Hi everybody, welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Anley, and today we're going to be looking at the Dreametech L10s Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. So as you know, in each episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it.
Let's take a look at what's in the Dreametech box. This is the L10s Ultra. Whoa! I'm gonna guess that this is the vacuum. Inside that box are a couple little things. It looks like we have a replaceable little garbage canister bag here. This probably goes in the canister that you see here. The vacuum prong or fan. Super cool. They include some cleaner fluid. What looks to be like a cleaning bristle. And of course the user manual. Our power plug here. I'm gonna guess this goes to the charging hub as well as the canisters for the mop and vacuum. Very cool. Look, our little mop pads right here. Look at them. So nice. Wow. High quality. Look at that. These are the mopping pads that get self-cleaned inside the unit. And the vacuum mop itself. Very cool. Let's get it unwrapped. Nice. Very cool. This little device is powerful. Sheesh. Oh goodness, and finally the chargeable hub and canister. Put it over here. Wow. That's a lot. Super cool.
So it has fully automated cleaning, automatic dust collection, mop cleaning and drying, water refilling, solution adding, fast mapping, and path planning all combined to make fully automated home cleaning a reality. The convenient auto empty system utilizes exclusive Dual Boost 2.0 system to blow air into the robot's dust box and vacuum it into a 3-liter dust bag, giving you up to 60 days of automatic hands-off cleaning. It also has advanced AI navigation. The advanced AI action utilizes an RGB camera and 3D structured light to rapidly learn your home. Tailored cleaning strategies and auto-generate paths according to the type of obstacle, flooring, and room. Robust vacuuming and carpet cleaning too. Powerful 5300 PA suction, automatic carpet detection, suction boost, and a robust rubber brush. Coordinate to pull household debris, hair, and dust from floors and carpets. Set cleaning behavior to have carpet identification, avoid carpets while mopping, or simply raise the mop pads while vacuuming. Makes floors shine. Dual rotary mop spin at 180 RPM. Scrub floors covering up to 2,152 feet with a large 2.5-liter water tank to make sure your wood, tile, vinyl, or other hard floors refreshingly clean. And it cleans and dries its mops. The mops are lifted automatically when returning to the base station to ensure your floors stay pristine. Automatic mop cleaning immerses the mops in water and spins them at a high speed against grooves in the removable base plate to dislodge dirt. After cleaning is complete, the mops are dried with hot air in as little as 2 hours to prevent odor. And customize your cleaning from anywhere. Create multiple maps for multi-floor houses, segment rooms, create virtual walls, set no-go zones, and create cleaning schedules and routines. Start, pause, or stop cleaning with voice command or supervise your home using the video control in the app. The power is at the tip of your tongue and at the end of your fingers. Wow, Dreametech! My house is sparkling clean now! Also, Dreametech, I'd like to thank you guys for sponsoring our video. All of their links will be down below in the description. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching. I've been today's host, Anley, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!